In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate an SSL certificate onto your domain using Hostinger. This is an essential task for anyone serious about securing their website and ensuring data is safely encrypted, enhancing trust and credibility among your visitors. So, whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or anyone with an online presence, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to Hostinger's website. You can easily do this by opening your favorite web browser and entering the URL for Hostinger's site. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't done so already. It's important to note that having a Hostinger account is a prerequisite for setting up your SSL certificate through their platform. Now that you're logged in, you should see a navigation menu. Look for the Websites option and click on it. This is where you will find all your hosted sites under your account. It's the central hub where you manage all your domains and their settings, including the SSL certificate. Once you're on the website's page, find the specific site you want to secure with an SSL certificate. Click on the website title or image to select it. This will take you to the next step of the process. Here you'll see an overview of your site's management options. As you look at the screen, direct your attention to the right side where you'll notice three little dots, commonly referred to as a More Options button or menu button. Click on those dots to reveal additional options, and from the list that appears, select Dashboard. This is a crucial area because it allows you to dive deeper into your site's configurations and make the necessary adjustments to enhance its security. Now, upon opening your website's dashboard, you should see a section related to the SSL certificate. Hostinger usually tries to simplify the user's experience by automatically configuring SSL certificates for their domains. However, you'll want to ensure that your SSL certificate is properly activated and configured, as this might not always be the case for every domain or situation. After arriving at the dashboard, check to see if SSL is enabled by looking for a padlock or a status that confirms its activation. If it's active, congratulations! Your data transmission and visitor interactions are now securely encrypted. And there you have it. With your SSL certificate activated, your site is now more secure, providing your visitors with the confidence that their information is protected. This process, while straightforward, is crucial in today's online environment, where data security is paramount. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help.